Ma'am, Miss John Bier Williams.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, you don't want an attorney this morning?
No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Bier Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can hear you now. Something going on with the phone. I'm inside of a building.
I was about to say it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Bier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's case is Wild Weave. Got a full-blown sovereign citizen, Karen, who flat out refuses to identify herself or even acknowledge the court's authority. She's stonewalling every question, dodging every instruction, and acting like courtroom rules just don't apply to her. But guess what? That kind of attitude earns her exactly what you'd expect a bench warrant, signed and sealed. Let's break it all down from the top.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee.
Sanu just can't make this stuff up. She actually said she was making a special appearance. But here's the thing, that's a legal term reserved for licensed professionals, not a DIY courtroom strategy you picked up on Facebook. If you're not a licensed attorney or don't have a P number, which stands for a professional license in many states, then nope, you can't make a special appearance, not even for yourself. And honestly, after hearing her logic, maybe she should make a special appearance in an adult English class.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
I am.
Or if you don't want to participate, Or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate.
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So, as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Then yeah, that's not how any of this works. You can't dodge charges by pretending it's your trust or some fictional entity being accused. The court isn't playing a game of Monopoly, it's dealing with you and trying to reject your name just because it's written in all caps. That's not a magical legal loophole. It's just a font style. You're not fooling anyone, least of all the judge.
I guess so. I could bring her in. I ain't really want to argue with her at the front of my docket. I was going to make her wait till the very end. Janvier Williams. Thank you so much. Janvier Williams.
Hello.
Hello. You turn your camera on,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
Let me see how to do it. All right.
How you doing?
Now I'm fine. How about yourself? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Janvier Sherelle Williams. This is ticket number SP 1534898. Count no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
All right? So we've hit the end of the first hearing, and some of you might be wondering why Judge Taylor issued a show cause instead of a capias. Good question. Let's clear it up. A show cause is basically a legal invitation. The judge is saying, come back and explain yourself. Why didn't you do what the court asked? It gives the person a chance to fix things voluntarily. Now, a capias, that's a whole different level. It's an order for law enforcement to track the person down and physically bring them to court. In everyday terms, that's what we call a bench warrant. So why did Judge Taylor go with a softer option? Probably to give this sovereign citizen one last shot at playing by the rules before things get
Okay, so I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm an attorney, in fact. Listen.
And you're really out. Here challenging the entire English language, Karen, and I'll give you this, on paper. You're technically the named individual on the charging document. So by that logic, yes, you're the authorized representative of yourself. But let's not act like that's some legal mic drop. Just because you're twisting legal terms and pretending you're separate from your name doesn't make it true. This isn't a riddle, it's court.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not,
I need
I
the
will put a
person-
UCC.
John
I
Vier
will lean
Williams?
it. I will lean it. I
Ms.
will lean
Williams,
it.
be quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice?
I am here
Janvier Sherelle Williams.
to make a special limit appearance
Are you
on the
present?
behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John-
you're not gonna answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
No, you listen. She just asked for your P number because without it, you're not an attorney. And you can't file anything or appear specially for anyone, including yourself. That's not gatekeeping. That's basic courtroom procedure. And let's not forget, she already gave you a warning. If you don't want to follow the rules like an adult, that's your choice. But choices come with consequences. And in this case, starts with a shiny new bench warrant.
Okay, so Janvier
Authorized
Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right, so if she's not present today, I cannot move
Non-resident
forward because I
alien.
need her present. All right, so there will be a KPS put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That all
ticket.
cap name
of no
was
insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Than you. No, as much as they hate giving in to the jurisdiction of the court, it's much more pleasant than giving in to the jurisdiction of the police when they come to arrest you. All right, so that's the end of the video. It was just a short one and a sweet one where Karen is going to end up going to jail over traffic tickets because of her own dumbass decisions. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike. But don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content.